Hi everyone, welcome to our class, eager minds and curious souls. Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of biology. My name is Farouk Hassan. I will teach you biology subject for class 9th from basic to advanced level. Biology is the study of living organisms and their interactions with each other and their environment. It explores how living things function, grow, reproduce, and adapt to their surroundings. In simpler terms, biology helps us understand life from the smallest single-celled organisms to complex ecosystems. Introduction to life, understanding what constitutes living organisms and how they differ from non-living matter. Bio means life and logi means study. I means the study of life is known as biology. Remember, the knowledge you've gained in this class is just the beginning of your journey towards understanding the wonders of the world around us. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop learning. In the next class we discuss about the branches of biology. Thanks for your concentration. See you soon. Goodbye.